If you want to put an image in front of text in LibreOffice Writer, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. This is really useful when you want to create flyers, posters, worksheets, or documents where the image needs to sit on top of the text instead of pushing the text around. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice. From the Start screen on the left side under Create, click Write a Document. If you already have a document open, you can use that one instead. Once your document is open, go ahead and add the image if it is not already in the file. To do that, click Insert in the top menu, then click Image. Now browse to the picture you want to use, select it, and click Open. After the image appears in your document, click on it once to make sure it is selected. This is important because the wrap and arrange options only work correctly when the image is active. Now right-click the image and hover over wrap. From the wrap options, click Through. This setting helps the image behave more freely around the text and allows it to sit on top instead of being locked into the text flow. Next, right-click the image again, go to Arrange, and then click Bring to Front. This is the key step that places the image in front of the text layer. Once you do that, the image should appear above the text, and you can move it wherever you want on the page. You can drag it into position, resize it if needed, and place it exactly where it looks best. If the text is still appearing over part of the image, just make sure the image is selected and repeat the wrap through and bring to front steps. In most cases, that will fix it right away. You can also adjust the text placement around the image if you want a cleaner layout. This method is perfect for creating layout designs inside LibreOffice Writer without needing any extra software. So to quickly recap, open your document, insert your image, select it, set Wrap to Through, and then choose Bring to Front. That is how you put an image in front of text in LibreOffice Writer. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.